The bryophytes are multicellular. They are also called the amphibians of the plant kingdom. Who are amphibians? Amphi means both. So, those organisms which can live on land as well as in water are called amphibians. So, does that mean the plant also can live in land as well as water? No, they need water for reproduction. So, the first point will be multicellular, but though there is some kind of tissue differentiation, no organ or organ systems. There is no root, stem, leaf. Tissue is there. No true root, stem or leaf. Needs water for reproduction. So, they are called amphibians. The examples are moss, funaria. Funaria is a particular kind of moss. Rixia, Markantia. You see, funaria looks like a small plant. It has root, stem and leaf like structure, like this. And the rhizoids, but they are not true root, stem or leaf. Why? There is no tissue for conduction. These are also called the muci. While the liverworts, they are not erect, they remain flat. P is silent in Pteridophyta. In the pteridophytes, what we find is that of course it is multicellular and there is good level of differentiation. There are tissues, organ systems. That is, it has root, stem and leaf. The conduction tissue is also there. Although it is not so well developed. In the case of fern, there are tracheids which are not as long as the vessels. So, they help in the conduction of water and they reproduce by spore.